Namaste everyone. Welcome to Om Incense Show with DJ.
Namaste.
Namaste. In this show, the show helps you take your incense quotient to the next level. So if you are an incense enthusiast, consider subscribing. This again is a review video here, and today we are reviewing one of those cow dung incense sticks, cow dung based incense sticks, which is a rage these days in India. So I just thought might as well try one of these, review one of these brands for you. So we have this Gaia Hawan Batti, which is marketed by Go for Life, manufactured and marketed by Go for Life. This is a brand which works through app, and they have their milk and grocery stores online on the app. They give A2 cow milk, so if you're interested, you might want to check out that. So this is Gaia Hawan Batti. It says 100% chemical free fragrance, and it's organic bamboo-less incense sticks from Barsana, which is the birthplace of Radharani, which are made from havan samagri, having an interesting blend of 45 herbs and roots, flowers, tree barks, desi Indian cow dung, and desi ghee, along with resins. It's a wonderful and pious way to purify not only your home or office, but even your collective atmosphere as well. So it says, it's like export quality and 100% chemical free fragrance. The ingredient says havan samagri 65%, includes 45 herbs, cow dung powder 10%, guggal 5%, maida lakdi 10%, gau ghrit, that's cow ghee 5%, and coconut oil 5%. The MRP is 50 rupees and it has 30 sticks in this. And I've used this incense stick, I've used it earlier also, and I really like it. So in the market we have many cow dung based incense sticks these days, which is a mixture of cow dung and havan samagri. So havan samagri is like all of those roots and herbs and all those nice Ayurvedic herbs that we have. So that's there. And I've reviewed one of those incense sticks earlier also, Aruhi Organics. You might want to check that out. So we have a pack like this where we have incense sticks inside, 30 incense sticks, and they also have an incense holder. I don't know, I've just misplaced that incense holder somewhere, but they have an incense holder with this. And for 50 rupees, it's quite cheap, considering the fact that there are other brands, the other costly brands. But if you have to go for cow dung based incense sticks, I would request you not to go for anything beyond 60, because there are incense sticks for 120, and I think it's atrocious, because you get good incense sticks within 45 and 50, maximum 60. So if you get an incense stick which is more than that, I don't think it's worth going for. However, there are other things that help, that is a factor in increasing the price. But I really like this incense stick. I've been using it for quite some time now, and once the incense stick is over, it leaves a nice fragrance behind. This is nice. I really like this. You really get that fragrance of earth in this. It's nice. It's one of the best incense sticks in the market, the cow dung based best incense stick in the market. For 50 rupees you get 30 sticks. So if you do the puja twice, say morning and evening, it'll last you 15 days, otherwise it'll last you a month. So that's good enough, and it leaves a nice fragrance after it's done. So you might want to try Go for Life Gaia Hawan Batti. It's nice. To check out other reviews for other incense sticks, check out the description box below. And till we meet again next, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.
Namaste, pranam.